आमी सध्या मिरामार बिचार आहा आनी मिरामार बिचार सध्या मॅसिव सँड इरोजन जाल्लेलें आसा आनी तेजें एकूच रिजन म्हटल्यार जे आतां सद्या दर्याचें जे कंडिशन आहा तें सद्या रफ जाल्लेलें आसा आनी त्या कारणां खातीर हांगासर आमकां मिरामार बिचार मॅसिव सँड इरोजन पळोवपाक मेळटा.
Accretion and erosion is not a new phenomenon all along the coastal area. They are all natural phenomena. But sometimes what happens is because the eroded material, especially the sand, the quantity of eroded material need not necessarily be deposited along the other bank of the river or along other bank of the beach. So in this case, what happens here is because this quantity erosion is not deposited somewhere else, so thereby it is creating something called inequilibrium in the depth of the beach profile. Okay, so when there is a inequilibrium in depth of the beach profile, so then in that case, what you are seeing in all along the Miramar beach, where you are actually seeing like at a cliff, no? So those kind of things usually happen when there is a inequilibrium on the beach profile. So this is a natural phenomenon. Need not worry about it because this has happened everywhere. For last 2 years back, we have seen similar kind of exercise in Morchim along the very close to the river Shapura. We have seen that area, and wherever there are estuarine areas, you get to see such kind of a cliffs formation because it may be, there are factors related to it. Maybe we have nature of the rivers, if the river is concave or convex. So it depends upon that. You also have beach profile. It also depends upon your sediment movement. At the same time, it also depends upon the tidal characteristics, low tide and high tide. Many times what happens is erosion and accretion happens in the intertidal areas. When the tide is very high, the intensity of tide is very high, it erodes, it takes away the beach sand and then again try and deposits along the other bank of the river. So they're all natural phenomenon, but yes, the rate at which such kind of a phenomenon that we are seeing along the beaches of Goa is an alarm for all of us to see and study what is the reason behind it, because Goa is a place where a lot of tourists come, and beach tourism is very, very important for all of us.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.